If you're not entirely sure at what temperature or for how long certain foods need to be cooked, then simply select BakeOmatic. This function automatically finds the correct settings and produces the perfect result. Simply choose the appropriate food category. The oven's sensors detect the size and shape of the food to be cooked and set the perfect temperature and cooking duration. Et voila! The perfect Parmigiana. Just like a genuine Italian mama would make, even if you're only making half as much and have no idea how long it needs in the oven. BakeOmatic makes it possible. The function even detects whether you've placed a whole loaf of bread or several little rolls into the oven. If you're ever unsure, just let BakeOmatic decide. You'll automatically get the best result.